Hello, welcome to the stream. I just need to make a quick change to something on here. Right. There we go. How are we all today? Is that a sky I see crawling around on the bottom of my screen? Right, so I've decided to ditch everything I had been doing in favor of moving
Hey,
towards twins.
SkyDriver 2K4, kindly requests you partake of a beverage.
Here's Sky. Nobody redeem anything at the moment. I just want to close and... That's interesting. What's that? I'm gonna reopen SpeakerBot. Did you hear the redeem, by the way? Assuming you did. I have implemented a new feature. Because if you want to get real close to my voice, I can just do this. Well, actually, it's a bit further. It sounds a bit further away, but I'm switching to this mic here. Or I can switch back to my main mic. You did hear it. Okay, that's great. But so replacement. That should enable that. Save. Save. I don't know. Maybe that's fine. Right. So yeah, I've decided to switch from using a lerp and snapping to the position to using a tween. So this is this here. So I've got lerp to 0, putting call back, stop the animation at 0, but I'm also going to say position is equal to snapped position vector 3.1. So that should snap to the 1. So, oh, yeah, I need to call that one. So, stop animation. There we go. Yeah, unable to write. How are you doing today, SkyDriver? How have you been? I was in Beegs' stream all day today, but I was just too busy with work. I couldn't. Because it returns a void. Okay, what does it need to return? Call back. No, not that. Go back to this and close all other tabs. And then... Good so far. I was more AFK at Beegs' stream. Yeah, unfortunately I was swamped with work. Use callable.bind to bind additional arguments. So, what's it supposed to return then? So if it's in because it returns a void. So let's have a quick Google search. call back to Ina. Right. Q3. Do you have an example of the Q3 thing? Avoid now you mangle. With the powers of the void, do you have no borders? No, I don't have any borders. Right, so what's Q3 return? Q3 returns a void. Is it because it's put these in by itself? The dark side is not your side. Come join me on the dark side. I have the high ground. Wait. That didn't work. I still miss my suggested redeem. Which one? You suggested a lot of redeems. Right. See if the last one. What? When my wife comes and gives me concussion? I'm not sure she'd be particularly happy with that. Combination of easing the interlopation starts slowly and speeds up towards the end. So it starts slow, speeds up. Maybe I need to do a 1 second speed in, ease in, and 1 second ease out. So let's try that. So Control Shift and duplicate that. So speed scale to 1 for 1 second. She would love it. Which wife doesn't love to tap her beloved one with the iron pan without a reason? Well, you're here, so she has enough reason to do it. I do feel like you might have been a bit concussed from your good lady wife from the iron pan. Let's try this. See what happens here. Oh, today no mod, so we can call the chaos. I'm still a mod, technically. Situation. Do you want to know a secret? I left the iron pan with her mum, so no iron pan in this house. Just Teflon pans. I think all we've got are those kind of ceramic-y ones, to be fair. Setting the text of a label. Yeah. Okay, right. Yeah, do I need to go to this and do .set delay 1? And then that's going to be 1 again. So it should be 1 Mississippi. Wait. What's going on here? It's like it doesn't want to stop the animation. So does callback get called when it's finished. Create a callback to this. Can you call it arbitrary method in object? Use object that keeps shooting every 1 second. Between callback, shoot, delay. 1. Right, that's a bit better. Sorry, switch back to my other mic so you can hear me a bit better, I think. Good go for GDS callback. So is it done at the end? How to wait for tweens. Okay. So I could do it this way then. Yeah. I'll just do. Wait. Dot finished. And then wait tween finished. And then stop animation. Just go to that and think that.
Hey, SkyDriver 2K4, kindly requests you partake of a beverage.
Thank you very much, Sky. That's really annoying because that shouldn't have said your full name. I have a regex replace, but I'm wondering if it's that I need to do. And then when I go back to, I don't want to show the list of banned words on screen, but where is settings? Replace name with nickname if available. Do you want to try another redeem, Sky? And I'll refund it if you want. Just stretch or anything.
SkyDriver 2K4 wants to see you stretch.
It didn't work either. Why? Is it something to do with this?
%name% wants to see you stretch.
It didn't work.
Floorball 3000 wants to see you stretch.
Anyway, I'll figure that out. So then that'd be idle animation. So let's just try that, see what happens now.
Alexa, put some bacon on the shopping list and remind my lovely missus to give me some lovely iron pan taps.
Thankfully, I've got headphones on. Right, so we're getting something in the debugger here. What's this saying? Process can't append to a tween that has started. You stop first. Okay, so then that was okay. But this should wait for it to finish. I need to find bacon is important. Bacon is very important. Where was that one? Maybe if I just do dots stop, see what happens here. I'm not getting that problem anymore, but it's still not it's still not doing the next one. It's really weird. What if I say simply dot set speed scale? Can I amend that? Speed scale. It's going to be 0. Set this back to 1 here. Change this to ease in out. Let me just double check. Yeah, one default's 1. So ease in out. You shouldn't have to do all this stuff. Wait for the tween to finish. Let's see what happens there. I'm trying to make it kind of do that curve of it was supposed to slowly start and then Right. Oops. Where's my thing on twins gone? Twin transition types. So this is what I'm looking at here. I guess it's probably actually this one, isn't it? Where's it gone? Was it on this page? It looks like it is. Am I missing it? Literally want to go to that image. No. Well, that's what I need. So ease in out for, I guess let's go from 0 to 1. I want it to go probably quad. Yeah, quad's probably the best one of them. So let's go back to this. Dot get trans to be quad. Okay, that scales it up to 1 for 1 second. Then I want to wait for that to finish. I'm gonna do like equal for GBS up and down. So this is in loop. Yeah, but that's looping it. Not quite what I want. I want to animation speed up and down. No. So setting animation speed. Yeah. Doesn't look like what we need. Means by example. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I want something to pulse. Nah, like that. Grow a tween. Right, actually, that's what I could do because I'm not now setting it as parallel. I don't need to set
In
it
1
parallel.
minute we
So
will take a short break for ads.
do I? I do. Let me watch this a second. Mm, 2 seconds. Actually, I guess if I do it down to 0, then I should be able to see what's going on. Yeah, I don't think that's actually stopping it there. Mm.
Hey, SkyDriver 2K4, kindly requests you partake of a beverage.
Yes. Yes. You can do. On that video.
Look out.
Oh,
Ads.
ads. I was watching a video last week, which is this one here, and he was saying, when he first started here, we went through cleaned up parallel. Yeah, let me just try that because I want. Hmm. I'm back.
SkyDriver 2K4 wants to see you stretch.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Sky. I just realised you're not subbed, so I didn't realise you weren't. That you were in the ads. Because I've kind of got a situation here where I have one stream that I want running for 2 seconds, one tween that I want running for 2 seconds, and another tween where I want running for 1 second each. But maybe I need to do set these in up to 1, and then it would be that, and it would be tween dot comes out, and that would be, no, that would be up to 1, 0. Dot set. Not playing it. Animation player dot set. Speed. Wait, what? I've got a speed skill. That speed skill should work, right? Why is that not popping up? I don't know. It's coming up now, but set it to 0. And then it should transition it to 1. No. This goes up. This takes a second to put it up to 1 and a second to put it down to 0. Why is it? Why? What? What if I say? Oh wait. No. Set to layer 1, please. Try that. No, okay. I think what's happening is let's take this one out of the equation because not too worried about him moving. Yeah, so it's like it's trying to play the animation. Wait. Already, var animation cleanup equals, what was it, create tween? Sure, you can just do that. Nope. Yeah. Create tween. So does just create tween work? Looks like it, right? So actually, then what we can do is this creates a tween to do the position. You don't need to worry about any of that stuff, but I could add in this is in out. Wait a sec. That should allow me to move, but it won't do anything animation wise. Very slow. Slow. Between. With no tweeners. Is that because of this one? And that again. Yeah, and that was what was causing the error. But why did that all of a sudden? Hmm. It's a bit weird. Let's try. Okay, so the ease out and transitions seem to be. Or is it the animation scale, speed scale? Okay, maybe that explains the other issue I'm having. If I increase this to 10, is it going to go even slower? It is. So if I say 0.2, that look like. Oh, 0.5, let's try that. Too slow. 0.3. Mm. 0.25, I think. So then I guess if I did, maybe that's what the position all along, the problem all along was. I hadn't realised this. Animation. Animation player. Speed scale. Set that to 1. And then away between finished in stop and then in down to 0. But this needs to be half that, so it'll be 125. 125. Let's see what happens here now. Hmm. Hmm. So if I go back to this and say Speed scale. I need to use tween though. Tween needs to be in there. Does it though? I mean, that's a good point. Is there a transition or anything like that on here? Default blend time. What if I do that? Set you to 1 second for now. And I get rid of this lot for now. And I just say, actually, is moving equals false. Let's see what happens here. I want that kind of smooth movement of, right. I like that bouncing, but it's not actually playing an animation for some reason. Ah, because I've got this in. Let's try this. Nope. Do I need to do stop? Can I just do play? Okay, that's looking a lot better. What if I go back to fast, which is this thing here? I'm going to say 0.4. Say that, let's try that. Still too fast. What's it like at 1? Right, but it's not. Okay, so then if I do dot call. Try that. Call method. What's this in? Oh, that's just in object. That's not the one I wanted. Is there a callback in here as well? Call deferred. No, that's fine. Tween though. Control F. Pull back. Tween callback. Tween callback. Create and append the callback tween, and this method can be used to call an arbitrary method in any object. Use callable.bind to bind additional arguments to the call. Yeah. So, right, dot set modulate. Ah, okay. I might need to set the delay. Let's see. If we go back to this, we'll do tween topic bracket type tween dot callback tween callback dot delay 2. Like that. What the hell's going on with the tween? Parallel? Is that what it needs? It's setting the animation, and then when the animation stops, then it's moving. Help! But you know what I could do? Rather than do this, I could just do that await tween dot finished. Is that how you do an await? Let me just double check. Nope, doesn't look like it. Await just literally grabs hold of the stuff. Let's see. Not moving anywhere, and now he's moved. The irony is if I get rid of this line, right? And it goes back to how it was. I don't understand. What the actual F? Like, get rid of those two though. Put this back in. How does that look? Really annoying. It still glides in. I don't. World destination is only ever set when defaulted there, snap to there, set there, and this is in move player. Move player is only called from within the input event, so when I press something. So what should happen is it should come to move player. Hi bar. It's going confusingly. Really confused to be fair. So this is what I've got at the moment. I'm trying to tween the motion of the walking. I guess I could go back to lerping. Go back to lerping it and just basically eliminate everything I've done this stream. Apart from setting the blend position, so if is moving, right, so what's going on here? Mixed use of tabs, yeah, I see. The classical herb. I tried to tween it, and that, you see, I know what the problem there is, and that is on animation player, the blend, where's blend? Try that. I'll set this back to this and restart.
In 1 minute we will take a short break for ads.
Nope. Stop. Yeah, so that kind of jerky. This is what I had. And it's alright-ish, but I was trying to smooth it out, and I just can't figure it out. So if I press forward there, you see how it's kind of snap, 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 snap. I need a transition between that walking and not walking and idle rather. Oh yeah. How's it going for you anyway? How's Deja Drift going? Right, what is that? Released the update a few days ago. Yeah, I did see your update on that. I haven't actually got around to playing it yet because I haven't actually played anything yet recently, other than I streamed last week playing Hardship Shipbreaker, but I've not really played much more on that. Currently hosting the leaderboard battle. Sounds cool. I'd love to have been involved, but I just don't really have the time at the moment.
Look out. Ads.
Still going on. Yeah, like I said, I'd love to play, but finding the time to play is quite tricky at the moment. So where's attack? It'll last until tomorrow to equal around the server. Cool. Right. Dot. Animation changed. And is that? I don't know if that's gonna work. Walking still works. Attack does nothing now. Get rid of that. Gonna chill here while I recharge my energy for a bit. Had a busy day. About to have a busy night. 2 levels for the competition have yet to be announced. Nice. Well, I don't mind you chilling here for a bit. It is a fairly chill stream until I start swearing at the computer. Not doing what it's supposed to do. The night looks cool, by the way. The controls and stuff. In Deja Drift, are you talking? Or do you mean the darkness on the screen? Yeah, I'm quite proud of the lighting effect that I have, which is flickering. Right, how do I wait for animation to finish? You do. Animation finished. I thought so. So I'll go back to you. Right. And animation cleared. Dot. Animation finished. Animation finished is right there. Yeah. Why doesn't it work? So kicks this off, but then waits. Then this is running through. If moving set through, but then it's set to false because that's matching. And animation play stops. Okay. Let's add another one of these. Oh. Not. That is acting's true. So let's try that now. Yeah, can't move while I'm good. Okay. Need to figure that out as well. So it could be right, where are you here? Bring your thing inside this box, really. Nope. If you're in the box, rotate. Right. Try that. Back up to the wall. Yeah. Click through the wall. That's good. So I still can't fix this problem with the blend, but maybe I'm still setting it far too high. Create a new track for property and time. Hold shift. What's this do? Don't know what I'm doing now. Oh, Back to the animation player. Can it be like 0.01? And then go back to main, now into script. Get rid of you for now. Yeah. Get rid of. Is that why? Is it because I'm using a custom? Wondering why it was not working properly before. Because I'd set the custom blend thing. Oh, control. Get rid of stop. This. Right, now if I play it, it's taking a whole second before it's going to start. Of course it's going to be. Right, if I up this to 0.5 for example. Why has it left it walking? When it didn't when why would custom blend time do that? No point. I think I just say 1 for now. Rerun that. One was yeah, okay. Far too quick. 0.1. Probably about right. Then to the second. Still walking though. I wonder. I know it's gonna break stuff, but the snapping that's causing the problem then. Is it actually the camera moving? So if I watch the background this time, if I go over to the wall, kind of is. Like there's a snap at the end there. But it didn't, I thought it just disabled them and then, admittedly I put them back on, but is still like a jump. What if I say it's not going to equal 0 though, is it? Just going to keep walking in this case. It'll eventually hit 0, but this is the problem I was having. Wait. World destination would already be snapped, right? Starting point used. Starting point's not used anywhere. Get rid of that, I think. And then world destination equals position. So I could do snap here. Snap position plus destination to vector 3 dot 1. So world destination now is already snapped. And therefore I don't need to do any more snapping with world destination. Or in fact, what snap destination used for? No. Get rid of it. Snapped position. Then I don't need snapped here because I should be able to do snapped position. Equals 0. Okay. But there's something I was doing there. There's something I'm missing. Yeah, because if I'm snapping the position, I can snap the world destination, that should be fine. But no, this is wrong here. It needs to be snapped. Put snapped back in here. I know that's what I was doing, wasn't it? I wasn't doing snap there, I was doing snap to 0.25. But I don't need snap destination anymore because that's not anything. And that could be world position. Because world position I can, and that could be down to 1. Let me change this up here. Maybe that's what we do to make it work. Oh yeah. So where was that? 010. An amend world destination here to be yes. Come on. 3.1. This here. Get rid of destination all this time. Snapping's definitely a lot less. So if I come back up here, I'm gonna say there's a lerp. Let's see what happens here. Seven to 2. I think that's what half the problem is. I think it's this here, 0.01 it really needs to be. That'll make it smoother. Well, it's running for longer, but yeah, so the position of the player now is right. Okay. So then we need to change this here. So what happens if I go 0.75? How does that look? Does it go too fast? Yeah. this here. That's 0.5. Oh, just tweaking this number, isn't it? Oh, what's going on here? Oh, was it 0.05 before? Maybe that might be what it is. Was it like that before or something? Or was it 2.5 or something? Now I need to increase this to use 0.05, which would make sense. Right. So now what happens is I put in the blend of 0.05. Nothing. 0.5. Put it at 1. I guess changes things as I go, so let's just rerun it anyway. Stop into that. And 0.05 here. Now I've turned deterministic on. So these do update live, which is great. If true, the blending uses deterministic algorithm. The total weight is not normalized and the result is accumulated with an initial value of 0 or reset if animation is present. This means that the total number of blending 0, 0 is equal to the reset animation. Well, that's ridiculous, like 90.
In 1 minute we will take a short break for ads.
In a minute we'll have a short break for ads. Normally comes through on chat. God. Oh, it's broken. All kinds of broken. happens if I bump up the speed? Not changing how long it's playing for, but blending a lot better. Two 5 maybe. Ooh. Ooh. What happens if this is back at 1 now? Oh. Oh.
Look out. Ads.
Nice. Default blend of 0. Maybe it's 0.2. No runs on for me. Ah, now this is probably this. So if I say 1 on there, 1 on there, that will need to be reset. Two. Maybe this was set to the right value, to be fair. Deterministic's on, is that right? What happens if I turn deterministic off? This is really annoying because I've got it. It's running on slightly too long. It's to like 1 here a second. So I can make a difference. So I do need to rerun it. I could probably set it as a property that I could adjust. 0.1. 0.1. Put this at 0.4. Sorry about this, guys. I just want to get it right. Find 6 movies. I think the best I've had is this. Let's just try one more thing. The problem here is this. I know I've already done this, I think, a billion times, so I think it just goes too fast. Fine. Is there anything else you can specify on a lerp? Oh, right. So that's by how much, that makes more sense. So it's lerping it by 0.5. In this case, 0.05. Um, returns the result of smooth interpolating the value of x between 0 and 1. What? Returns an eased value base. Curve can be any floating point number. Ease in, out, ease out, in, ease out. Lower than -1. One's linear. There is constant. One's linear. Zero. 2. Oh, it's rushed. That's smooth step. 0 to 0.5. I don't know. I'm lost in that one. I think that's a good place to stop. We've actually got something that looks half decent now. So tomorrow, I think I shall be working on enemies. And maybe the health bar and stuff. Which is this thing here. Just there. There'll be a white bar across the bottom now. Yeah. Cool. Thank you all very much for joining me today. Let's go raid somebody. I'll switch to just chatting. Hopefully you can hear me in this one. In addition to this, can you guys hear me okay? Should be able to, yeah. Made some changes to my microphone earlier on, and just making sure it works everywhere. Where can we go and raid? Mute myself before I start hearing myself. We raided Robotech yesterday. Done Settlix in a little while. You nerdy nerds playing Shrouded. Where's there we go. Irish John, Foxglove Games. Have I rated Foxglove Games before? I don't think I have. Which one's Foxhollow? Let's go raid Foxhollow. If you'd like to join the Discord, there's a link in the chat. See you all over there. Bye.